Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is about offline ticket entry limitations. Now, basically, in offline ticket entry, all you can do is ring a sale and create new customer records. So in offline ticket entry, you can't build new inventory items or create purchasing, receiving, or adjustment documents. You can just ring sales and create new customer records. Now, within point of sale, there are also some limitations. So I'm going to show you how to look up the limitations in case you forget. From the main menu of Counterpoint, just simply press F1. That'll bring up your help screen. And in the search, just type offline ticket entry offline ticket limitations. So limitations, and I will just press enter. And you can see here I have a link to offline mode limitations. So I'm just going to click on that link. So within point of sale and offline ticket entry, you cannot change the ship from or price from location. You cannot process existing orders or layaways or holds and quotes. You cannot void completed tickets. You'll need to do that in your live database. If you have accounts receivable, you cannot apply or auto-apply paid on account transactions. You also cannot generate reports for orders or layaways. You may not modify user preferences or use the gift registry. And last but not least, your access to the message center, which is the internal IM and email, it just won't be available in offline ticket entry. But that's it. That's it for the limitations. Not a lot. So again, within point of sale and offline ticket entry, obviously you can still ring sales. You can do price overrides and discounts. You can void a ticket in progress, do returns and validated returns, and of course, accept tender. That's your Note of the Week this week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk with you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com. And on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.